This is going to be a video tutorial on how to restore the settings to their original defaults on the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. To restore your default settings on the Google Chrome browser, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Reset Settings and click on Reset Settings. Then on the center pane, right up here, Reset Settings, it says Restore Settings to their original defaults. I'm going to click on that. Then you have another little dialog box that pops up, says Reset Settings. This action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. It says bookmarks history and save passwords won't be affected. There is a Learn More button here, but you would just click on Reset Settings. I'm not going to reset my settings, but that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.